Hi, Extended Day kids. How are you? May 4th has just passed, and to commemorate this, I wanted to teach you how to do the Star Wars theme on the piano. If you remember from my last lesson, for piano we mainly focus on middle C. And middle C, you know where it is because it'll be in the center of your keyboard or your piano, and it will be on the left of your two black keys. So for us, middle C is right here. Now, to do the Star Wars theme song, you're going to need both your hands, and unlike of the previous piano lesson that I've done, you're going to use them, but not in a middle C position. A middle C position is usually when your right thumb and your left thumb would be sharing middle C together. In this, our third finger on our left hand will actually be on middle C. And the way our fingers are positioned is very important for this song because it can get a little confusing. So, you're going to use your pinky finger or your fifth finger, and if you remember from the last video how I use numbers to refer to our fingers. So I'll say your left hand, which for me is here, or your right hand. This is for me, my right hand. I'll say left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our thumb being 1. And the same for the right. Right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our pinky being number 5. So we're going to take our fifth finger on our left hand, or our pinky, and we're going to put it right here. This note is G. To find G, you go from C and you count backwards in the alphabet. So you're going to go C, B, A, G. Because the musical alphabet goes from A to G. So we're going to take our pinky, put it on G. Instead of placing all our fingers right after that like we normally would, we're actually going to take our fourth finger and we're going to skip this note completely. We're going to go to the next note. So we're going to have a gap between our fifth and our fourth finger. And then the rest of our fingers will go down consecutively. So our middle finger or our third finger on our left hand will be on middle C. That leaves our thumb on E. Now this is much easier with our right hand. We're just going to take our right hand, we're going to place it right next to that so that our thumb is on F. And the rest of our fingers are put down consecutively. So once you have this position, don't forget this gap right here. You're ready to start the piece. So we're going to take it slow at first, and then I'll do it a couple times so that you can learn it with me. You're going to take our fifth finger and we're going to play it 3 times on our left hand. Third finger on our left hand. Second finger on our right hand. First finger on our right hand. First finger on our left hand. Second finger on our left hand. And then fifth finger on our right hand. Second finger on our right hand. First finger on our right hand. First finger on our left hand. Second finger on our left hand. Fifth finger on our right hand. Second finger on our right hand. And if you notice, we played the same phrase 2 times. So that is repeated twice in the middle. And then this is our last measure. First finger on our right hand. First finger on our left hand. Go back to first finger on our right hand. Then second finger on our left hand. So I know that might not sound like the Star Wars theme song, but that's just because we just did it out of rhythm and we did it really slowly. So I'm going to do this again very slowly, but instead of saying numbers for our fingers, if in case some of you want to learn note names, I'm going to do it with note names. And I'm just going to review with you really quickly how to figure out note names on your piano. So we know this is middle C, and we can just go up. So C, D, E, F, G. And G is our fifth finger, pinky when we do this. And then if we're going for the left hand, we're going in the opposite direction, we go down the alphabet. So C, B, A, G. And that's the fifth pinky on our left hand. So in both instances, this is G and so is this. Oh, yeah. So we're going to put our fingers back. Fifth finger on G, we're skipping this note, placing all our fingers down. So our thumb is on E, then taking our next finger, placing it on F, going up G. Okay. Now we're going to do it with note names. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D. Is that starting to sound more like the Star Wars theme song? Well, now we're actually going to put in the rhythm. We're going to do this slowly. And just like that, you just learned the Star Wars theme song. So I'm going to play it one more time, a little quicker. And yeah. And again, remember, if you forget anything, the two middle measures, we just repeat the same rhythm twice. So I'll point that out in this next round when I do it one more time. So that's where we repeated just twice, and then the last part. So I hope you enjoyed learning the Star Wars theme song with me. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great week and great weekend. I hope you watch a lot of Star Wars movies, and may the 4th be with you.